What do you want? What would you like to do?
Casey's.
Casey's what?
Casey's.
Casey's what?
Casey's.
Grayson, it's for Blue.
Here,
not
here,
Casey.
Grayson.
Give it to Blue. Did they eat their treats up?
Eat that one first. Eat that one first. Eat that one first. Dada! Casey! I love you!
I think Casey smells the chocolate chips that you set in.
Can you tell them good night?
No! I can't continue.
No, we need to go good night.
So good night, Casey.
Good night, Casey.
Good night, Blue.